grammar part or we'll start new chapter?
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Yes, no, we'll start actually the Merchant of Venice. We didn't finish the first act, I think, completely. Few conversation left for this one, Act One.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll share the picture with you. So today we are going to start the Merchant of Venice again. Grammar portion, because most of you, mashallah, very good, alhamdulillah. So what we will do first, we will continue, finish our literature part. Then inshallah we'll keep revising everything. Okay, in grammar also and in literature also. So better first we finish our syllabus. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So ninth class, I think we were on page number 50. Just let me check first. This is I do never use. I cannot read as fast, but not miss ignore. Okay, we'll start from this. Okay, Abu Zaid, inshallah, I will tell you the English grammar syllabus. I will share the syllabus with you in the next class. Okay, what I got from ICSC site, I'll share the same syllabus with you in your next class. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
this is 48. Okay, so we'll start from here. In this scene, you know that Shylock and Antonio. In this scene, Antonio is asking money from Shylock, and he's like, he's saying, okay, I will give you, but he give him one bond that if you are not able to pay the debt on time, then you will give me your means a piece of flesh of your body. Okay. Just
Yes,
a
ma'am.
minute. We were, I think, on
Okay,
the
ma'am.
next page. We have finished this one. Let me share the other page with you. We were on 52. Okay. It's 50. Okay. So now here, Shylock said that 3,000 ducats, this a good round sum. 3 months from 12, then let me see the rate. So what he said that you want 3,000 ducats, it's a big sum. So means it's a big amount. 3 months from 12, yes, let me see the rate. Okay. Then Antonio said, well, Shylock, shall we be holding to you? Antonio, are you going to oblige us or not? Means Antonio was like confused that Shylock is going to give the money or not. Then Shylock said, okay, who will read this conversation of Shylock?
Ma'am, Ma'am, may I read? Ma'am, may I read?
Just a minute, just a minute. Who will read? Who will read? Who just a minute. Who
Ma'am, may I?
raised? Just a minute,
Ma'am, may I
beta.
read?
Who raised the hand first? I will see. Okay, Mehjabi. Yes, Mehjabi. Start reading.
Shylock, 3,000 ducats.
No. Shylock conversation down. The Shylock ignore Antonio. Many a time and off.
Ma'am, this,
Yes. Start this
ma'am,
one.
your screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible to all of
No,
you,
ma'am,
or
it's gone. It's gone.
okay, just wait.
Ma'am, it's visible.
It's visible.
Ma'am, it is.
Just a minute. Now check if it is there. No.
No, ma'am, still not.
Okay, I'll share
Yes,
again.
ma'am. Now it's visible. Ma'am, may I read?
Just a minute.
Ma'am, it's black.
Yes.
Ma'am, show your screen.
Just a minute, beta. Wait. Okay. Now is it visible? My screen is visible to you?
No, ma'am. It's loading. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Majabi, you can see the screen or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now read it.
Yes,
The
yes, ma'am.
Shylock.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Able to show.
Shylock's speech. Signor Antonio, many a time and off.
Indeed, Doctor, you have rated me about my monies and my utensils. Still have I borne it with a patient shrug. For sufferance is the badge of all our tribe. You call me misbeaver, cutthroat dog, and spit upon my Jewish gabardine, and for all use of that which is mine own. Well then, it now appears you need my help. Go to then, you come to me, you say, Shylock, we would have monies, you say so.
Okay, that's it. That's it, Majabi.
You that
Now, just, okay, now Liza. Liza, you raised your hand earlier. So just start reading from there. From this one. You that did void your room. Liza, are you, okay, she is not here. Misbah, you start reading.
Ma'am, I read.
Yes.
Ma'am, after Misbah, may I read, please?
Yes, okay. First, Misbah. Misbah, start reading.
Ma'am, from where?
You that did void your room. After 105.
Misbah in Shylock Park. In Shylock Park.
Yes.
From the you that did void your room upon my bed and put me as
Don't disturb.
Please
Just
let her
listen.
read.
Just stop. I will call the name. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
And put me as a firm a stranger cur over your threshold monies in your suit. What should I say to you? Should I not say, hath a dog money? Is it possible? A cur can lend 3,000 ducats, or shall I bend low and in a boardman's key with bated breath and whispering humbleness say this? Fair sir, you spit on me on Wednesday last. You spurned me such a day. Another time you called me a dog, and for these courtesies, I will lend you
Courtesies.
those much monies.
Okay.
Courtesies,
Yeah.
I will lend you those much monies.
Yes.
As
Okay.
you
So,
will not putting forth
yes.
holy argument is like a whale. Ma'am, her voice is breaking.
Just a
Or my
minute.
network is low.
Misbah, stop now, please. Okay, so this Shylock is talking to Antonio that Signor Antonio, you have abused me in the Venetian Stock Exchange about money and my money lending practices. So I have shrugged my shoulders and suffered it patiently. For patience is the badge of our race. You call me a non believer, merciless dog, and you spit on my long Jewish robe. All because I put to use that which is my own
Ma'am?
money. Yes?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of threshold?
What is the meaning of?
Threshold.
Where it is?
Ma'am, it is after where Misbah read on the third line. Over your threshold, money is your suit.
Just a minute. One threshold.
Yes, ma'am, this.
Okay, yes. So the threshold means he said in a very means he said in a humble voice. Threshold, you can say, just a minute. Threshold,
Threshold means a level at which
no,
something starts to happen.
it's like a intensity, with much intensity, he said. Over your
Ma'am, I am
threshold,
asking what is this line saying about? Means what is it relating to?
over your threshold. So we are discussing now, we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not reaching that line. Still we are on the very beginning of this conversation. Okay, so just
Yes,
wait
ma'am,
for
I know
that.
you are here and you are on this line and for all use of that which is my own.
Which is my, yes, I am here only, and that line will come now. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
otherwise threshold means it's like the intensity that must be exceeded for a certain reaction or phenomena or result.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So now, my own. Well, then, it now appears you need my help. Now it appears that you need my help very well. You come to me and say, Shylock, we want some money. You spat on my beard and kicked me as you would kick a stray dog out of your house. You have come now with a request for money. What shall I tell you? Shall I not say, has a dog any money? Because Antonio earlier called him
Ma'am,
as a dog.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
What is the meaning of threshold?
I told you just now, beta.
Ma'am, actually I didn't get it. That's why I'm asking it again.
Just wait for the, we are reaching at the point that it is like the intensity of certain reaction or phenomena. Okay? Yes. So, shall I not say, has a dog any money? Is it possible for a dog to lend you 3,000 ducats? Or shall I bolo? And in a humble voice, with submissive voice, and say, Noble sir, last Wednesday you spat on me. Spat mean quarrel, means you fight with me, and on the other day you push me out of the way. Another time you called me a dog. Because of those acts of so called politeness, shall I lend you the money you want? So, what he said? Yes,
You throw me out of the way and then you ask me money, shall I give it to you or shall I take my revenge? Like this he's saying. Who used to like Shylock was a very evil man. So Antonio used to always oppose him. So that is why when Antonio is in need of Shylock, Shylock is being like he's in need of me. So he's trying to like surpass Antonio.
hello?
Ma'am, basically
Yes?
he's trying to insert. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this Sherlock is trying to insert and trying to that recall all the things which Antonio said once to him. So it means, ma'am, he was insulting in a way. We can say that that you came to ask money from me. Should I give you or not, like that? And
Means it's like, what should I say to you? Should I not say that, hath a dog money? It's like that only.
yes, ma'am.
Money is your suit. What should I say to you? Now you are asking me money. Earlier I was like, you insulted me in front of many people. You called me a dog. But now the situation has been changed. Right? Now you are asking money from me. Please let me in the class. I am joining from another phone.
Okay, ma'am.
No, no, no. Just a minute. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now,
Uh,
yes, now Antonio's speech. What Antonio said, I am as like to call thee so again, to spit on thee again, to spurn thee too. If thou wilt lend this money, lend it not. As to thy friends, for when did friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friend, but lend it rather to thine enemy, who if he break, thou mayest with better face exact the penalty. So, what he said? He said, I am likely to call you the same again, to spit on you and to push you aside again. Means he is saying that I can do the same thing with you. If you lend me money, do not lend it as you would do to a friend. When did a friend lend money to a friend in order to make a financial profit? Lend the money to me as if I were your enemy. If I should fail to abide by your contract, you shall exact the penalty from me. Means he said, okay, you are saying that I did this with you, I called you dog, so don't give me money as a friend, because if you are giving money to a friend, then you are just thinking that you are making a profit, means financial profit for your friend, but just give me money by thinking that I am your enemy and you can make means the contract, you shall exact the penalty from me. Means if I will not be able to pay you, then you can ask any type of penalty from me. Shylock said, why look you, how you storm, I would be friends with you and have your love, forget the shames that you have stained me with, supply your present wants, and take no doit of usance for my monies, and you will not hear me, this is kind I offer. Now, what Shylock said, now see how you lose your temper. So because Antonio answered in this way, so Shylock said, okay, see how you lose your temper. You became angry. I would like to have your friendship and love. And to forget the shameful things you have done to disgrace me, I will give you what you have asked for. Means I will give you 3,000 ducats, what you have asked from me without taking a small interest on my money. But you do not listen to me. It is kindness that I offer you. Bassanio said that would indeed be kindness. Means this one kindness. Shylock, I will show you, means this kindness will I show. Go with me to a notary, seal me there your single bond, and in a merry sport, if you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or sums as are expressed in the condition, let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound, or your fair flesh to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleaseth me. So, what he said that I will show you this kindness. Let us go to a notary, and means let's make a bond. Notary means bond. Special lawyer means bond, and there put your signature on the bond, and for a pleasant joke we will make an agreement that if you do not pay me back the sum involved in this transaction on the fixed day in an agreed place, let us specify as the penalty an exact pound of your flesh to be cut off and taken away from whatever part of your body I choose. Means he said, I will take a piece of flesh from your body, means from any part of body which I like. Means he didn't say that you can give the flesh from any place. That he said that whatever part of your body I choose, I will take the flesh from that part of your body. Now Antonio said, content, I faith I will seal to such a bond and say there is much kindness in the Jew. Antonio said, I certainly agree to this. I will sign such a bond and say that the Jew is kind. Bassanio said, you shall not seal to such a bond for me. I will rather dwell in my necessity. So Bassanio said, you will not sign such a bond for me. I would prefer to live with whatever I have. Means Bassanio now asking Antonio not to sign any type of bond with Shylock. What he is asking, because of Bassanio, he will be okay whatever he has. Antonio said, why fear not men? I will not forfeit it. That, well, do not fear that. I shall not forfeit the bond. Now,
Ma'am, what does forfeit means here?
means I will not, deny this. Means I will complete this bond. I will come over this bond. Okay?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
excuse me, ma'am. What is the meaning of notary?
Notary, I told you, beta. Notary, it's like a legal bond. Okay, he asked na ki let's make a notary and we'll put the signature on that bond. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Within these 2 months, that's a month before this bond expires, I do expect return of thrice 3 times the value of this bond. So what he said, within the next 2 months, that is at least a month before the expiry of the bond, I expect to get back 9 times the value of this bond. Means he wants the value of that money 9 times. Shylock, O Father Abraham, what these Christians are, whose own hard dealings
Ma'am, your
teachers.
screen is not visible.
Yes, now it is.
Shylock, O Father Abraham, what these Christians are, whose own hard dealing teaches them suspect the thoughts of others, pray you tell me this. If he should break his day, what should I gain? By the exaction of the forfeiture, a pound of man's flesh taken from a man is not so estimable, profitable neither. As flesh of muttons, beefs, or goats, I say to buy his favor, I extend this friendship, if he will take it, so if not, adieu. And for my love, I pray you wrong me not. So what Shylock is saying, oh Father Abraham, what type of people these Christians are? Their own unjust dealings make them to suspect the intentions of other. Tell me, I request you, if he is unable to pay me on the due date, what would I gain by taking such a penalty? A pound of human flesh is not of any value as mutton, beef, or lamb. Means now either he confirmed that okay, I will make this type of bond, but he is just saying that what I will get if I'll take a pound of human flesh, means it is not worthy for me like a mutton, beef, or lamb. I tell you that it is to gain his friendship that I make this offer. If he accepts it, that is all right. If not, goodbye to you, but do not be unfair to me for offering this act of love. So what Antonio said, okay Shylock, I will seal unto this bond, that I will seal this bond. Shylock, then meet me forthwith at the notary's, give him direction for the merry bond, and I will go and purse the ducat straight, see to my house left in the fearful guard of an unthrifty knave, and presently I will be with you. Now Shylock said, then meet me soon at the notary's office and inform him about this funny bond. I will go home and put the ducats at once in a purse and see that my house is safe, because I left it in the careless charge of an Unreliable spendthrift servant, I will soon be with you. Now Antonio said, Hi, thee gentle Jew. The Hebrew will turn Christians, he grows kind. Hurry up, gentle Jew. The Jew will soon become a Christian, for he is becoming generous. Bassanio said, I like not fair terms and a villain's mind. I do not like to trust the kind words uttered by one with the mind of a villain. Now Antonio said, Come on, in this there can be no dismay. My ships come home a month before the day. Come on, there is nothing to fear. My ships will be back a month before the day which has been agreed upon in the bond. Who is
Excuse
calling?
me, ma'am.
Yes.
What is the meaning of forthwith? And ma'am, what's the meaning of adieu?
What you are asking? What is the adieu means
Ma'am, so many
goodbye?
words are very difficult.
Adieu means goodbye. What is the word you are asking, Misbah?
Ma'am, forth.
Where it is?
Yes, ma'am, I got you told adieu. Adieu, as you told.
Adieu is goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the meaning of forthwith? Ma'am, I have sent you a message. Please check it.
Why, Sunera? Why you want to leave the class?
Ma'am, because your voice is not audible, I don't know why. Network is very poor.
Okay, then you can leave, no problem.
And I'm
Yes.
able to even see the screen going and coming, that's why.
Okay. Yes, forfeit means is like a loss as a penalty for wrongdoings. Okay? Or a fine or penalty for wrongdoings. Forfeit means?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So this scene has been ended here. Act 1, Scene 3. We finished this scene here. In our next class, what we will do, we will write the, okay, for as a homework, I asked you to write the summary of, I think, scene 1, right? Have you written that? Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. No, I asked this homework in the class only. No, I didn't upload there.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, by mistake, I forgot.
Okay.
Means maybe.
Yes. Aisha, forfeit means a fine or penalty for wrongdoing. Okay? It's a fine or penalty for wrongdoing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so because only 10 minutes left for the class, we'll discuss the question answers of Act 1, means all scene 3's question answers in your next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and
Okay, ma'am.
I'll give you one homework also. I'll update on your app. You will write the summary of each scene, like scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. Small summary of this means scenes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Inshallah. Okay, ma'am.
And we will discuss first all the scenes in the class, means all the scene in the class we will discuss first, and then we'll do the question answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay,
Ma'am, we will be writing in our own words.
We will be have time.
Yes?
Till when we will be having time for submitting the homework?
I'll update there only. You can see there. Okay?
Please
Okay,
timings for a
ma'am.
long.
Okay. Okay, but you write down the summary. We'll discuss the summary in the class. Means the main thing is that you should know the story. Okay, because I know that you people will be able to write down any answer for any question if you know the story, if you know the summary of means acts. Okay, so it's better if you get the means summary of each of these scenes, then inshallah you will be able to finish all the question answers properly. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So inshallah we'll meet in the next class. For now the class is over.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, when are we going to start this volume 1 and second? I'm so excited for it.
I have been
Volume 1 means
some.
Means, ma'am, this poems and short
Ma'am, your
stories.
voice is breaking.
short stories. You have already finished I think three chapters.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
From
there is
each
only
have done
one poem and one chapter left from that means from that book. So what I was thinking first, because you have I think Act 2 also in your this ninth class. And Act 2, how many scenes are here for Act 2? Just let me check.
Actually, it is. 2 acts will read in 10th class.
No, actually Act 2 has science scene 9. Mean 9 scenes are there in Act 2. Okay, we can do one thing, that first we will do the means complete question answers of Act 1. Then we will do one poem or one short story. Then inshallah we'll move to the Act 2.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. We'll do this. Okay, ma'am.
Okay then. Thank you so much. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
Take care, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum, ma'am.